Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Venus token. The price line of Venus is dropped at a very strong support after extreme sell-off. Let me show you on the weekly time frame chart, and we can see that here we had a very nice rally that was up to $42.98, but the price line is dropped down. If I place this measurement tool from this high to this low, then we are down approximately 64%. And it is again dropped at a very strong support. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to the chart, and here we can see that the price line moved up, moved down. Here the price line found a support but could not save this support. After this rally, the price line finally has broken down this support that was approximately at $20, and right now the price line is having another very nice support here at $15.60. At the same time, if we zoom this chart out, we can observe that the price line has also found another resistance here. We had a very big rejection here, then we had some other rejections. By the way, this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that we have several rejections, and the price line has found this resistance, and we also have a support as well. Here we had a fake out to the downside, but the price line moved back inside this channel and still moving in this channel. And while moving inside this channel, it is reached again at this support of $15.60. For example, if the price line breaks this support down, then we have a the next support at a very down level that will be approximately here at $9.50. The price line can imminently drop up to this support. And it will be also possible that after testing the support, the price line will also test the support of the channel here somewhere, and we will have another reversal to the upside. However, so far so good. This support is breaking as a very strong support, and the price line is not breaking it down so far. And once the price line will be able to have a breakout from this resistance of the channel, then our next target can be this resistance, because previously this level has been breaking as a nice support. Now that will be turned into the resistance, and that will be approximately $40.50. We also have some other resistance levels before this target that is approximately here at $30, and before that we also have this resistance that was breaking previously as a support here, that is $20. However, I'm expecting that this will be a really very big breakout. Once the price line breaks it out, we can expect an imminent move up to $40, and it can easily break out the next resistance levels as well, this $20 and $30 resistance levels. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.